Hello, Diecast Friends and fellow builders. Welcome back to the fish tank. I am Cole, and today I wanted to talk to you all and welcome you to a fun event for all builders. The Build for Build Invitational, sponsored by Cuda's Diecast Customs and Double B's Customs. So, let's get started. We are all in this community together. Day by day, we are getting to become closer and closer as friends, and we are always have that feeling of giving back to the community. But we all know and feel that we sometimes don't give back enough. I know I feel like that at times. So me and Brett's plan is to start by getting as many people involved in this invitational as possible, to give back and make a difference, and possibly even put a smile on another builder's face. So, how does this invitational work? Well, it's very straightforward. Let's jump into the rules. So, rule number 1 for this Build for Build Invitational is you and one other builder can get together and build one car for each other. So, for example, me and Double B's Customs, aka Brett, are a group for this invitational. So that means I would build him a car and he would build me a car. Rule number 2. The car you can use can only be a 1/64 scale, but the brand of the car doesn't really matter. You can use a Matchbox, a Corgi, a Hot Wheels, Johnny Lightning, or a Greenlight. It really doesn't matter as long as it's a 1/64 scale. Rule number 3. When you and your building partner are done with each of your builds, you must share and send them to each other. Remember, this build-off is to give back to each other and let others have a piece of your art in their collection. There is no limit to what kind of build you do for this build-off. It can be a gas lance, a restoration, or even a custom. It can be completely rusty, or it can be as shiny as a silver spoon. It can be even multicolored if you want to go that way. It's completely up to you. There is no limits here. Rule number 5. The due date is on June 18th by 6 a.m. The last rule and the most important rule, rule number 6. The last rule you all should follow is to have fun with this build. Me and Brett over at Double B's Customs wanted to bring the community just a bit closer and to build for one another, and also give you time to know someone a bit better than you did before. And also you can learn a lot more about that person, like what they like and why they love this amazing hobby that we do. With all that said, if you are interested in joining me and Brett for this invitational, please comment down below, "I'm in," and let me and Brett know who you are building with or teaming up with to build. Remember, it's only you and one other builder. You are building a car for one another. The car can be sent to the other person anytime once complete. The video is due on the 18th of June by 6 a.m. Lastly, have fun with this build, guys. I know I can't wait and Brett can't wait to get started with this build off. Make sure to share this video with everyone so we can get lots of people on board for this invitational. If you have any questions for me or Brett, please comment down below and we are both more than welcome to answer them. Guys, thank you for stopping by. I hope everyone can take part and give back to one another. This is Cole over at the fish tank, and I will see you all in the next one.